Front looks broken. I just took the Traxxas out for a run, and look at this. I just took it out for a run. It is dirty. Let's go ahead and see. I open it up and see how dirty it is. Whew, and it's wet and soggy out too. Man. I was thinking it would be worse. That'll take me like 30 minutes to clean. Shock springs. Pretty good. Except for over here, these are dirty. Down here. But yeah, I'm gonna go sit up upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean this. Okay guys, got the hose on, and you're supposed to put it on flat. So here we go. So yeah, now we turn this off, and we take it and flip it upside down, and then we do one more wash. Now I'm gonna have to sit you down for a second so I can tilt it up and everything. Okay, now we'll just take this upstairs with the body, which I don't know how I'm gonna grab this here. There we go. Okay, now we're going upstairs. Turn on the light. There we go. Sit my controller down. Okay, now we're here. Now I just need to find a way to sit you up. Is that good? I think that's good. I think you can see that. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do first, take the body. I take a rag. This is my rag I use for every time I go out. You're just gonna dry it down. Make sure you get in every crease and everything because you don't want the motor to get wet. Or any electronics. If you have a gas powered though, you can just spray it right down. Let's keep on washing that off. There we go. Now we just need to do the other side, which I think is easier. So there's that. Now we'll move on to the body, which is a little bit more detailed. I can show you. So here's the body. As you can see, dirty. What you're going to do is you're going to go in your drawer. You're going to get a Q-tip. You are going to take it, And you are going to get down where the battery is and just keep on doing this all the way around the battery tray. And then you're going to want to get down to the motors and up here. And in there, you just want to clean it off with a good rub of the Q-tip. And then you can do like some of the motor here. Make sure that's all cleaned off. And some of this bar. Yeah, and that's basically it. And if you want to get into more detail, you can do the tires, like going between every rigid and everything. But we won't get into that right now. Right now, we are going to take, I know it sounds crazy. Why are you doing this on electronics? Well, Clark's wipes. Open it up. Grab a Clark's wipe. Now, you're going to take the end of it. And you are not going to want to touch the electronics. Just the base plate. So like this is fine. Just do that. No electronics. Antenna, you do the antenna. Lightly though. You can do down here. Just don't get the electronic components wet. You can do like the handlebar over here. Look, it's already getting better. And then you can do up here. And there we go. Then you can like wipe down your tires. But then you're going to take this, throw that away. Grab your towel. Now you're going to dry it. So you're going to go in and dry every spot that you just did. The antenna, everything. Make sure it's all dry before you go back out. And you even turn it on. Senna. My cat. Jeez. He's always being crazy. Okay. All done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this. Put this back here. Take our body, scoot it over there. Put Clark's wipes back down there. Now, rag. Take your rag. Now you're going to take it. And I have a trash can over there. And you're just going to swipe. 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 There. Because you don't want a dirty workplace. And you're going to swoop it down in the trash can. There you go. You can shake your rag off. There you go. And now, I'll pause you, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put this body on. So I'll show you how to do that right now. You're going to take your car. You're going to take your body, you're going to put the antenna through the hole of the body. Put this down. And there will be pins that pop up in here. So the back just has it. yeah. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your pens, slip them on. Do the back. And when you're done with that, you have yourself a clean Traxxas. Took me 10 minutes for all of that. A very nice, beautiful clean Traxxas. Great. Controller never needs washed. Never. Hello. Hello. I painted them 4 years ago, I think. Yeah. Okay. I took this strap that I got at the 24 Hours Rolex Daytona when I went there. I got a free picture with the 2015 Corvette, and I got this because I was posted onto their Facebook page with the picture, and I got this awesome strap. It's like a what is it called again? A sling, like a sling point on your Nerf gun and everything. And all that you're gonna do, because this doesn't fit on the antenna here, it won't fit. I tried. Take these two, put one through, take the other, and just put them together. There you go. And you do that, just slip it on and you're ready to go. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. How to clean a Traxxas. Today, I will be showing you guys a running of my Traxxas out in the field we have a huge field by our house, and it is just 2-3 blocks away. I mean, we live on a hill, 2 houses down, and about 5 houses down from there. Not even that, like 2 houses. 2 houses down, and then 2 houses that way. And it's so little amount of time. We walk there with our Traxxas. I mean, it's not even a quarter of a mile. So, we're gonna be showing you some videos of that. Enzo got one too. Mine is the Mark Jenks edition. As you can see, my name's on there. My dad did that. My name's on there. But man, is that clean or what? Man, I don't think I've ever had it this shiny. Wow. Okay. I went to the park the other day with Enzo and my mom and my dad and my brother Enzo. And I bent the antenna when I rolled it, and I lost the cap. I think I have an extra cap in here. I hope they gave me one. I don't think so. Oh, wait. Nope. Dang it. That sucks. So that was the only cap I got. That's not cool. Should have given me an extra. It was 2 extras. But, yeah. Pretty fun. See you guys today. Be doing some more videos. This is Dane. And I'll see you next time on Brownholtz Bros.